filter kit for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 by Neewer. Now, I did get this from Amazon. The link will be in description. And just keep in mind that anything that I put in my description, if it's on Amazon or anything, it is an affiliate link. And I will get a few pennies on a dollar at no additional cost to you. Will or may get, because it doesn't happen on everything I put in the description. But I like to include everything in the description just so that you can see what I actually purchased. Oh, first of all, thank you, Neewer, because I can't believe DJI didn't include one of these. So I definitely need a wipe, a cleaning wipe. I prefer a pink one. I have a little pink one, but thank you. This is a nice size, too, for such little things. So thank you. Thanks, Neewer. I love it. I need one of these in the case. So that's perfect. Filter series tells us about it. Because it's the copyright, English, French, France, English, French, Italian. Oh, wow, Italian, Dutch. Okay. I see y'all covering all the languages. I love inclusion. In case you don't know, I used to work in the special education department. No, I was not a teacher. I've always been into IT and things of that sort. But I love inclusion. You have to include everyone these days. So this is the Neewer case. It comes in its own case. It has a nice sponge protection in the back. So I like that. Let me bring this down just a little bit. Like I said, this is my first time recording with this, so bear with me. Yep, and it comes in a nice little case, which is cool, nice and thin. So hopefully it'll slide inside the bag. And we will check these filters out. And of course, the black mist filter can be housed inside the DJI cover. So I'll always have that with me if I don't have any other ones. But I always definitely will have at least one. So that's perfect.